Today I want to show you how you need to set up the memory package so that the mirror moves downwards to the curb when you're putting in the rear gear. This may help to save a lot of money because you're able to see in the mirror the rim and the curb, so you won't damage your rim in this case. Many people don't know how you need to config the memory package to get this useful feature. So watch the video carefully till the end. I'm sitting in my car and I want you to show a very handy feature of the memory package of your seats, because this function is just available together with a memory package. It's for the mirrors, and when you see now, I activate the right mirror. Now at the moment I'm in parking position of my gear. As you see, the mirror points in the correct driving direction or position. Now I'm switching to rear gear. And it moves downwards to the rims. It's a very handy thing that, because you may see if you're hitting with your rims as you see, I'm in the rear gear. Now I'm switching back to drive position. And as you see, the mirror moves backwards into the driving position. Now, to explain how this works, you need to have turned on the left mirror, and you need to switch to the rear gear where it moves, and then you need to choose the position of your mirror, and this will be the saved position when you're turning into rear gear. Now again to the front gear. And as long as you don't move, well, it takes a little. It's a little delay inside. Okay, that's for it now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell.